Right, welcome back guys to another video. Today thought we'd try out something a little bit different. So what I'll be doing is a point of view, a POV style video. It's just going to be a short, quick one. We'll go for a quick little blast in this C63 AMG, and yeah, just so you can see what it's like if you've never had the experience of actually sitting in the driver's seat of one of these C63s, and you know, just to give you guys a feel of what it actually feels like. And so yeah, here it is, a POV. Let's try something different. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, like the video, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Performance Lifestyles, for performance car reviews. And check us out on Instagram as well. We're performance_lifestyles, and Facebook as well, Performance Lifestyles. We'll catch you a bit further on into the drive. Right, so here we are, just cruising along in comfort mode, and we've got a review of this car on our actual YouTube channel, so please do feel free to check that out. It is on there, there's a full-on like a review on there, so do check that out. There's also a comparison video between this and a E92 M3 Coupe, which has had a few little touches done to it, so please do feel free to check that out as well. And so yeah, when you're driving it normally, it's actually quite, this is it, it's just exactly like a normal car, purely because, you know, the 6.2 litre V8 engine, some people automatically assume it's going to be, you know, a bit of a handful to drive on normal sort of drives, but no, they're perfect. And then as soon as you want to open it up, switch it into manual and drop a couple of gears, and this thing is savage. just that little bit of a blast there, and honestly this thing is absolutely amazing. Let's be a good Samaritan and give this geezer away. And I've got traction actually fully switched on. I've not put it into sports or nothing like that. I don't want to be ditching it anywhere, so I'm just going to leave for the purpose of this video. The traction control will be fully switched on. You still get it. The back end still does twitch a little bit here and there, but it's nothing. No, drifting action going on. That bark is just awesome on downshift. I don't think them people look very impressed. So there, the back end was twitching a little bit, but right guys, I hope you've enjoyed that brief video, POV video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Performance Lifestyles. Check us out on Instagram, performance_lifestyles, and Facebook as well, Performance Lifestyles. We've got plenty of videos already uploaded on our channel, and we've got plenty of content to come. So help us grow, and we'll catch you on the next video.